Welcome, my name is Kelsey from the Health and Wellness Lab at the University of Calgary. Today I'll be demonstrating an exercise from the ACE Home-Based Maintenance Program. This exercise is called a fire hydrant and is going to be targeting your glute muscles. Please read the disclaimer on the website before starting anything and feel free to ask any questions by sending us an email at ace@ucalgary.ca. So for the fire hydrants, you're going to be getting down on all fours, keeping your back in a neutral position and your head in line with your back. You're going to want to engage your core muscles by bringing your belly button back towards your spine and engage your pelvic muscles as well. You're going to rotate your leg out, keeping your knee bent as far as you can without ever rotating your pelvis or your shoulders. Just like that. You can make this harder by adding a band, so you can wrap the band around your legs and hold the band up here and do that same movement again.